Welcome to KZ Auto Hub, where performance meets imagination. And today we are diving deep into the future of one of Japan's most iconic machines, the legendary Nissan R35 GT-R, reimagined like never before. In this exclusive cinematic breakdown, you'll witness a redefinition of power, design, and dominance. A concept that doesn't just nod to the past but boldly tears into the future with turbocharged fury and unrelenting style. This isn't just a car, it's a visual and mechanical declaration of war, wrapped in satin black, riding low on precision-forged rims, and commanding every inch of the showroom with intimidating silence. From the moment you lay eyes on the front of this GT-R, you realize something's different. It stares back with redesigned LED laser headlamps that cut through the air like blades, accompanied by a reworked grille that looks less like an intake and more like the open mouth of a predator. The front splitter isn't just there for aesthetics. It bites into the air and tells everyone watching that this GT-R is made for more than just showing off. The massive carbon hood, with heat-extracting vents carved like scars across its surface, hints at the beast that lives underneath. The hood doesn't rise with softness. It lifts like a weapon hatch, exposing a future-ready twin-turbo V6 engine that hums with calculated aggression. As your eyes shift to the sides, the transformation becomes even more radical. This concept, GT-R, rides on an extended chassis that adds volume without losing the aggression. The satin black body hugs the widened fenders, each curve telling a story of precision and power. Sitting on 21-inch forged, deep concave rims with razor-thin, low-profile, performance tires, the stance is low, lethal, and impossible to ignore. The carbon side skirts don't just add visual flavor, they slice through the air, aiding in high-speed stability while giving this GT-R a floating, almost supernatural posture. And then there's the rear. The signature quad-ring taillights have evolved into sharper, more angular designs, now glowing with crimson light patterns that pulse with the rhythm of the engine. A carbon diffuser dominates the lower back, embracing 4 titanium-tipped exhausts that spit thunder with every shift. Above it all, a massive rear wing hovers with futuristic elegance, built from forged carbon fiber and engineered not for beauty, but brutality on the track. When you stand behind this machine in the showroom, you don't just see a car, you feel a presence, a gravitational pull that turns every head and freezes every step. Step inside, and you're transported. This isn't a cabin, it's a cockpit. The steering wheel, shaped like a jet controller, is wrapped in Alcantara and stitched with glowing red thread. The dashboard is fully digital, curving like a panoramic screen across your field of vision. Each gauge toggle and button is illuminated with soft red hues, giving the interior an ominous race-ready glow. The center console has been completely reimagined with touch-sensitive controls, aircraft-style switches, and ambient lighting that shifts with driving mode. The seats? Racing shells crafted from carbon fiber and leather, hugging the driver and passenger like armor, ensuring every G-force is felt yet controlled. From the driver's POV, you're locked in a symphony of machine and motion. As you grip the wheel, tap the paddle shifters, and press the throttle, the car responds like a living creature. The growl from the engine isn't filtered. It roars, echoing across the showroom walls, making visitors pause, look, and realize that they're not just near a car, but in the presence of power incarnate. Now imagine it rolling. As it glides through the showroom floor, heads turn, cameras rise, and mouths drop. Not because it's flashy, but because it embodies menace, performance, and perfection. The black satin finish absorbs the light while the carbon details reflect, it creating a visual paradox that hypnotizes everyone in view. And when it moves past other luxury icons, Bentleys, Ferraris, even Lamborghinis, it doesn't compete, it dominates. Silently, confidently, and unmistakably. Underneath, the suspension is fully adjustable, tuned for track or street with the flick of a switch. An active aero system deploys components as needed, whether it's high-speed cornering or full throttle acceleration. The twin turbocharged engine, rumored to push over 700 horsepower, is mated to a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, and an enhanced all-wheel drive system, making this GT-R more than just fast. It's relentless. Every part of this concept is engineered with obsession. The brake calipers glow red through the spokes of the wheels, gripping oversized carbon ceramic rotors that bring this missile to a stop with fighter jet precision. Cooling ducts, both functional and ferocious, are hidden within the aggressive lines, channeling air where it's needed most. The underbody is sheathed in carbon panels, built not just for speed but silence, ensuring aerodynamic efficiency without sacrificing the brutal persona. Yet despite all this madness, the GT-R concept is still unmistakably Nissan. That familiar DNA lingers in the silhouette, the way the C-pillars arc forward, the aggressive yet refined roofline, the quiet confidence that only a GT-R carries. This is a car born from decades of dominance, refined in the fires of motorsport, and now unleashed for a new generation that demands not just speed but soul. And that soul is what separates it. It's not just about stats or numbers or lap times. It's about the way it makes you feel. The way your heart races when you hear it start. The way your eyes fixate on the curves. The way the interior wraps around you and says, "Let's go." It's about adrenaline, about freedom, about pushing boundaries, and this concept pushes every single one. As showroom lights shine down on it, the reflections reveal its perfection, its imperfections, its intent. This isn't a show car, it's a war cry, and it's loud. Every detail from the bolts to the badges screams a message that this GT-R isn't just back. It's evolved, it's ready, and it's hungry. You don't just look at this car, you stare. And the longer you stare, the more you realize it's staring back. Thank you for watching KZ Auto Hub, where dreams are redesigned, and the road always begins with vision. If you're a true gearhead, obsessed with performance, design, and the future of automotive power, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you never miss another beast like this. Until next time, keep your foot down, your eyes forward, and remember, the future isn't waiting, it's roaring.